KIET School of Pharmacy, Ghaziabad is organizing an international conference, IAIHC 2020, on Impact of Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare, sponsored by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, and SERB Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Date of conference is 21st and 22nd February 2020. The conference is in association with University Sans Malaysia, Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers in India, Indian Pharmacy Graduates Association, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. Who can participate? Faculty and students from D.Pharm, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, PharmD, PhD scholars, health professionals, B.Tech, M.Tech, MCA, and industry delegates. IAIHC 2020 is focusing on high-quality research papers in the following major disciplines: artificial intelligence, bioelectronics, machine learning, automated dispensing, and pharmaceutical sciences. Best 3 oral and poster presentations shall be awarded with prizes. Selected papers will be published in a book with ISBN number. Website is www.kiet.edu IAIHC 2020, and the email ID is iaihc.ksop@kiet.edu. For more details and registration fee, please go through the official website or directly contact on the given contact details.